Hi, I welcome you to AB Math Education. We have this system of equation before us. They want us to find a constant C so that this system of equation will have no solution. So first of all, let's convert this into a matrix form, which is AX is equals to B form. So we are taking the coefficient. So 2C and 2 here, and then here will be 1, and here will be C times X and Y must be equals to 4, 5. Here our A is equals to 2C, 2, 1, and C here. We can find our determinant. So this implies that the determinant A will be equals, we just cross multiply. That's how we find the determinant. So it's going to be 2C squared minus 2, and it must be equals to 0. So as we set it up equals to 0 so that we can find our C, take 2 over there, and we get 2C squared is equals to 2. Divide both sides by 2, that means C squared is equals to 1. We want to find C, so we take a square root on both sides, which tell us that C must be equals to plus or minus 1. So here we have able to, the matrix form have able to help us to find our C to be either 1 or -1. So let's go back to the original question. We have 2x plus y. Right, so here realize that we have the two system equation here, which other people call a simultaneous equation here, and if we replace it with positive 1, realize that we are going to get 2x plus y equals to 4, which is the same as equation 1, and then here 2x plus y equals to 5. And if we're supposed to subtract, realize that we'll have 0 here, we'll have 0 here, and here will be -1, which we are trying to solve for the variable, and the variable is turning into 0. So here that means it won't give us any solution. We can also try when C is equals to -1, and we plug it in here, and we plug it in there, we realize that it's going to be -2x plus y equals to 4, and then the other one is going to be 2x minus y equals to 5. And here if we try to add it, we will get 0, because when we want to solve it, we will try to add it, and then we get 0, and here we get 0, and we get 9. Realize that the variable that we are looking for has vanished, so therefore we are not getting any solution. So here, as the question demands that what value of the C that will make us have no solution is going to be -1 and +1. Thank you very much for tuning in into my channel. Please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so, and see you in the next video. Be blessed.